I used to be the fire chief. And you might say, well, what does that bring to this discussion today? And sorry Joe left, but it brings the reality to why we are here, to me. You must imagine what happens in the EMS world and the emergency services world, and Sharon's here from the hospital, as you head out at 2:30 in the morning by yourself, and you're followed, hopefully, very quickly by your colleagues, the paramedics, and your own troops, which are in the ambulances. So my reality check for you to be here today is, I was there at 3rd and North when Pastor Dickie Ross's son was shot dead on a drug deal. I was there at Coverdale Crossroads with our troops before we transport, where we make a decision that we remove the needle from the arm. The reality check is this is a true issue. We're here in a sterile environment with coats and ties, dresses and outfits. This is an impact, and some of you know, and some of you are personally touched by this, and I have all sympathy for you. It's a real dilemma. It's a real tragedy. It's a real outrageous situation that we're facing. I can remember every one of those calls. I can remember the accident on I-95. I can remember the kids at Meadowbridge. I can remember the drug deals that went down in Coverdale Crossroads. I'm here to give you the reality check of this is not just us getting together to talk. We've got to work on it. 3rd and North is now a success story. Dan Rather came down here, and what a jerk he was to put a real face on Seaford as Crack Alley. You know what I'm talking about. Now we have Team Challenge there. We recovered that corner. There is a men's shelter. There is a rehab shelter. There is a worship center. And guess what? Government needs to get off its butt and not say that you cannot support religious success stories. Dollars are dollars. Money is money, and if it goes to resources, it doesn't matter to me whether you're a Catholic like myself, Jewish, Lutheran, or whatever. We need to have success. But guess what? Irrespective of what I remember, the real tragedy is in that home. It's in that individual, that mom, that dad, that grandfather, that grandmother. I feel their passion. I feel so helpless when I relieve those scenes. I mean that. We would try to get some help for them. Representative Tim Dukes was mentioned long ago on Brock's Law. We supported that effort. We have to also enforce. I hope you don't take that wrong. We need to enforce on the other side. I don't care who the individual is that sells. My opinion is they need to go to jail. We've got to stop the flow. We've got to solve the issue. I'm here to support the effort. I can't be with you all the time. But Peggy knows that. I'm here with the passion of this issue, and we need to deal with it. So I'll help in any way I can.